Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, let me show you guys how I make an easy recipe for banana pudding. This recipe is made from scratch. So if you want to see how it's done from scratch, keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. Also, thumbs up the video if you find it helpful. Without further ado, let's make this delicious banana pudding. These are the ingredients you will need, and also the measurement will be down below in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. Now, the first thing we need to do is separate our egg. I am going to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. I am using 5 eggs, okay? Your egg white, you can use it for later to make some nice delicious scrambled egg, okay? Now once you're done, you're going to put that on the side. Now my stove is currently off, okay? It is off. I am going to pour my egg yolk in the skillet. Make sure it is off, no heat at all whatsoever. This is the way I make it. This is my method. I know you guys probably have a different way to make it, but this is my method, okay? Trust me, it works. If you don't like that method, of course you can do it the way you like to do it. I added my ingredients in there: the sugar, all-purpose flour, evaporated milk, allspice, and that is all. I am going to take my whisk. We're going to whisk it. Now this is where it gets really difficult. You have to sit there and whisk this for a very long time. Do not stop whisking, okay? So now what I am going to do is turn on my heat on low. We're going to turn it on low for now. Gradually, we're going to start turning the heat up a little bit, okay? So that's what I am going to do. I am going to keep stirring it and then turning my heat gradually on higher level. Don't do it all at once, otherwise you will end up having scrambled egg. You do not want that, trust me. So make sure you're using your temperature or whatever, your button, gradually. Keep turning it higher and higher, little by little, maybe every 2-3 minutes, okay? That's what I am doing right now, very slow, because you do not want this egg to scramble on you. So keep stirring it and keep turning your heat on higher level. So that's what I'm doing. As you guys can see, you can now seeing the steam. That means it started to get hot. So keep doing that until it's nice and thick. This is my method, like I said. Of course, you can do it the way it works for you. You can go ahead and do it that way. But this is what works for me. I do it all the time. It works. This is it. Trust the process. Okay. Now I am going to turn down my heat on low at this point, okay? And then I am going to let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'll take it out of the heat. We're going to add our vanilla extract. Pure vanilla extract is perfect, but I don't have any at the moment. So I'm going to use regular vanilla extract. I am going to turn off my stove, and then we're going to add the vanilla extract right now. Once you're done adding it, make sure you stir it. At this point, it's really thick because it was sitting down for a little bit. So stir it and then let it rest until it cooled down, okay? And then we're going to move on to the next step. The next step is our banana. I am going to use about 7 bananas. They're really small, they're not like too big. So I'm using 7. You can use more, of course, if you like more bananas. So I am going to cut them into small bite pieces, just like so. And then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, these are my bananas. Now I am going to assemble the pudding. I am using these cookies, wafers. So I am going to add the cookies first at the bottom, face down, of course. You can add as much as you want. This recipe, like I said, a lot of people like more, a lot of people like less. And I'm actually using 2 different type of cookies. I'm using the reduced fat and the regular one. I heard the reduced fat one get less soggy, so I put it at the bottom first and then I put the other one on top. So now it's time to add my bananas. I am going to add them on top of the cookies. Like I said, you can add as much as you want. And then now it's time to add my pudding. Like I said, my pudding is nice and cool right now. Of course, you can do several layers if you want, but I actually do just 1 layer is fine for me. Just add your pudding and then spread it out. And my pudding is a lot thicker now. It's cooled down, so that's why it looks a little thick. Once you have your pudding nice and spread out, we're going to add another layer of the cookie on top. Next, I'll be adding my bananas. Just add your bananas on top of it. Now this is my last layer. Like I said, I only did 1 layer. Now I am going to use some Cool Whip. Yes, this is the one that I show you guys in the beginning. I am going to spread it all over my bananas and my cookies. Just spread it out. Once you have it nice and spread out just like this, I am going to add another layer of the cookie. Now this is the time I'm using the regular cookie. So I am just going to add it on top. This is for a nice presentation. You can just add it on top however you want basically. But I am going to lay them down very nice and neat. Make sure it looks pretty. Once you have all your cookies, I am going on the side as well. I am going to add some more cookies. All right, now the next step is optional. I am going to use another whipped cream. I am going to make sure it looks nice. Like I said, just make little flower looking design on top, just like I am doing right now. It is very optional. Like I said, it looks very pretty. And then I am going to add my allspice on there. This is the allspice I added in the beginning. And basically this is your beautiful tasty banana pudding recipe from scratch. It's that easy, you guys, and trust me when I tell you this banana pudding is the best. of the best you'll ever had. So trust me, give it a try. I know a lot of people use whole milk. Try evaporated milk, honey. You will thank me later. This is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. It was really, really, really good. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Let's get this video to 500 likes, please. Every single one of you guys who's watching right now, give the video a thumbs up for me. I really appreciate it. And that is all. Thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.